We want to utilize data compression to give everyone cost-effective internet. Riemann Computing has the potential to be extremely lucrative, but also impact a lot of people. Hi guys, my name is Andrew Kamal, and I'm the founder of Riemann Computing, and there's a quick little video I want to show you. We want to offer our data compression in order to compress network packets, meaning provide cheaper internet services, as well as offer data compression to various different data centers, computing companies, infrastructure companies.
It looks like the Chinese spy balloon.
That video was a video of an internet balloon. So we actually do direct-to-terminal gateways, and we utilized that internet balloon and a photon board as well as a photon thread board and a custom Linux board as well as our compute module to actually ping and extend the network.
Is this internet or?
So we do data compression and internet service.